This is my jet ski collection. I've been working on these, getting motors and jet pumps and stuff from other ones, junk ones. Right here I have a 91 Sea-Doo GT. I have a SP, a 92 model. Let's see. Over here I have a 93 GTX. The other side of it I have a 97 XP. And on the back I have another 93 GTX. Beside it I have a 97 GS. Beside it a Yamaha, I believe it's a 92 650 Wave Runner. I have a 95 Kawasaki 900 ZXi, and I have a 95 Sea-Doo SP, 94 Sea-Doo SPX, and I have a 94 Sea-Doo XP, and the last one I have is a 95 XP Sea-Doo. I've got 4 of these sold. It's just a matter of the people coming to get them, and I'm going to sell a couple of more of them. Well, that's it for now. See y'all later.